Okay, guys, so whoever's wondering about how difficult it is to take out door bars, some might be harder than others, but what I did is I took the cutoff wheel, took a big angle grinder with a cutoff wheel on it. What we did is we actually notched it. We actually did two cuts, so we notched it back here where we could get to it a little bit easier. Then we moved over here, we notched it right in there where we could get in there. And then what we did is we actually made a notch kind of in the middle. And what we're able to do is we're able to rotate it. Now some adhesives may be tighter than others or glued harder than others. But if you have to, bust out the little heat gun, put some heat on it. You don't need to make it molten. And what I did is I took a pair of vice grips and kind of grabbed onto the flange. And I kind of rotated it down. So I had both ends cut, but I actually cut it in half. And then I kind of rotated it down and it came loose. So I kind of pulled the bottom up and it kind of came loose. And the other one, and then I kind of pulled the top and it kind of started breaking loose. I kind of wiggled it back and forth so it didn't tear it up. And then I came back in here with a second cut when I could get in there. I cut the little brace out that was holding. I couldn't get the angle grinder in here. So what I did is I had to really get in there kind of at an angle. So you have to be real careful as you're going through it. You want to make sure when you break through that you're not cutting into the door skin itself. So then I'm pulling off some of this the sound deadener inside, but no damage to the outside of that door if you'd be careful. And this is out of 1. We're going to show you what the scale is on 1. And we're going to pull it over here, turn the scale back on. And keep in mind, this is 1 door bar. So we've got it set 4 pounds. Let me spin this around. Okay, so that's zeroed out right there. And basically we got mainly the door bar and a little bit of the insulation on there. And there you go, 6.1 pounds. So that's 1 door bar. If you take 12 and a quarter pounds or so. So it's not bad. And then we've already taken out, when we cut out all the other stuff in the door, if you look at this, we took out 22 and a half pounds before. So it's starting to add up. We went with the nodular because we're going to street drive it. So we wanted something a little bit heavier duty since we're street driving it. And we picked up like 15 pounds in the rear end, but we pretty much got it right back in the door bar. So anyways, hopefully that helps. And it's really not that difficult to take them out. Some guys say they spend all day doing it, and they may be glued in a little bit different. So anyways, it wasn't that bad to do. Saved 12.2 pounds, taking both of them out, pulling a little bit of the sound deadener out. So hopefully it helps. Thanks. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on the notifications. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.